Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Previously I'd done a tutorial on how to make a file into an image, and so someone had requested that I make a tutorial on how to turn an image back into a file. So I'll just show you what it does first, and then we can go over the code. So I'm going to show you what is in this file before. So it's just a bunch of this. This is a test, whatever. Oh, I should probably, exit out of that. And we'll go ahead and open that up. And it makes this sort of thing. And then it saves it to a place, and we're going to open up. In fact, we'll go here first, and you can see it's there as the image. And then we'll click this button and go back here. And here is it back in a file form. Oops, I didn't change that. This needs to be .txt instead of .text. I forgot to change that. Anyways, I'll open this up, and it's back to being a file. So I can delete both of these things. Oh, that's right, I have this open. So we can just delete those. So I'll show you how this all works. First, let's go up here. This is the old code from last time. I recoded it because usually I don't save these projects since they're so small. They just clutter up my stuff. So here's where we open it up and we calculate everything, and we convert it all to red, green, and blue colors. So they're all the same byte, which I guess is inefficient. We could actually do 3 bytes from the file instead of just 1. But anyways, you kind of see how that works. I'm not going to go over that because that's not this. But anyways, then we go ahead and we make it the picture box background, and we also save it to right here where I showed you earlier in PNG format. PNG saves all that. It doesn't like JPEG. If you save it in JPEG, it'll change the quality of it, and we don't want that because we want all the bytes to be accurate. And then here's where we open it back up on button 2, which is this button. And I'll go ahead and actually zoom in on this stuff because some of it might be hard for you to see on the screen, depending on what quality you're looking at. And so what we do is we get the bitmap that we saved. We get a file. Well, it's a byte array with the length of the file to be ready to be written so that we can save it. I'm starting the index at -1 because I have ++ inside the if statement, which means the first index value that will be processed will be number 1, and we want it to be 0. So we make it -1, it adds 1, that becomes 0, and that's the first position in that array. So basically we do the same thing we did earlier. We go through all the bytes, except this time we do get pixel. And then since they're all the same, red, green, and blue are all the same byte, we just pull one of them, doesn't matter. But if we were to say, do a different byte, like say 3 bytes in 1 pixel instead of, in fact you can get up to 4 with alpha. Instead of just 1, we'd actually need to specify and have it cycle through each one of those. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then here we have it writing. And see here, this is my problem. I wrote text instead of txt, which is the actual literal file type that we need. So yeah, that is how you convert an image back into a file. And I did a tutorial earlier about converting image or files into images just for fun, you know. So I hope this explains everything, and I hope the person who requested this video will see this and benefit from it. So that's all for now. I'll see everyone later. Bye.